As a business owner, you know how important it is to keep your customers happy. Whether you are a travel agency, beauty salon, educational institution, trading company, IT organization, or any other growing business, you are always on your toes to ensure that your clients are served in the best possible way. And that requires a lot of effort behind the scenes, like taking bookings, appointments, and orders over the phone, sending order confirmations and appointment reminders manually, promoting businesses through in-store, social media, or word-of-mouth marketing, and you also have to occasionally send birthday and festive greetings to all your customers manually. Managing all these can be easier, efficient, and effective with a simple tool. Say hello to WhatsApp CRM, an easy-to-use CRM that streamlines all your business operations. With WhatsApp CRM, you can bring your entire team on a single platform with one WhatsApp number and ease your business. This platform allows you to enable easy ordering and appointment booking over WhatsApp, send booking confirmations and auto reminders with ready-made message templates, set up a bot to take new bookings automatically, get instant customer ratings and feedback through interactive messages, and do much more. Book a free demo today.